I'm actually really surprised because I really did not think that these products were gonna work for me. Like, do you see the people on this package? They don't have the same hair type as me. Like, I did not think that it was gonna work, but shocking. So today I am going to be using the Essential Starter Kit for fine, thin texture, which is exactly what I have. So inside of this kit, you are getting the DevaCurl Low Poo Delight, the DevaCurl One Condition Delight, Wave Maker, and Ultra Defining Gel. So in this video, I'm actually going to be using the shampoo, the conditioner, and Wave Maker. Those are 3 products that I actually have never used before. For the Ultra Defining Gel, I'm going to use that actually in the other DevaCurl videos that I did because I want to try this Wave Maker out by itself and see, you know, what it's going to do. This kit was like targeted towards me because it's for fine, thin hair, which is exactly what I have. But at the same time, like it says like lightweight moisture, lightweight moisture, lightweight moisture. And I'm like, ooh, like my hair is damaged and I think I need heavy moisture. Yeah, anyways, let's just jump in the shower. Let's get to the shampoo. So you can see that this is how I started off my hair. It was horrible. Okay, I had so much product buildup, no definition. Like I had brushed my hair out. It started off really struggling. So first thing, I went in and I wet my hair with warm water, and I took at least a couple of minutes to make sure that all of my hair was nice and wet and massage that water through my hair before I went in with the DevaCurl Low Poo Delight. First of all, these products smell really good. It's a very faint smell. It's nothing like super strong, kind of a little bit citrusy, very reminiscent to what I remember before. Now, this is like a mild lather cleanser for lightweight moisture. As I told you guys before, that word lightweight. Yeah, so definitely holds true to the name, okay? This is a very mild lather cleanser. It doesn't set up too much. And because my hair was so dirty, I find that the first time I didn't really feel anything at all. However, I did feel like it was getting my hair clean. And it's interesting because it says lightweight moisture, but I actually did feel like it had some good moisture. Like, especially the shampoo, I was kind of surprised that my hair was feeling moisturized even with that shampoo. So yeah, you can see that this is how my hair looked after I rinsed the shampoo out of my hair. While I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, I always like continue to massage my scalp so that I can help to get it clean. And yeah, this is how it looked. And then I went in for the second time with another cleansing just because I wanted to see if it would set up more because my hair was really dirty to start off with. And I definitely feel like this time it set it up more. I don't really think I needed to do 2, but you know, the second time when I rinsed it out, my hair did feel nice and clean, but it felt moisturized. So I don't know, as far as for me, this lightweight moisture thing was enough for my hair because my hair really liked it and it didn't feel weighed down at all. And that's one thing that I'm really starting to notice since using these DevaCurl products is that my hair no longer feels weighed down. Next, I went in with the DevaCurl One Condition Delight. This is a lightweight cream conditioner. So I put this through the mid and ends of my hair. It did have a nice slip, kind of the same as what I remember before. It had a nice slip. I was able to finger detangle through my hair pretty easily, like within a few minutes. But just so you know, I do have fine, thin hair. So detangling my hair is never really that hard for me, you know, but I did find that it had a nice slip and I wasn't like struggling to detangle my hair or anything like that. So yeah, I left this in my hair for about 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, I rinsed it out of my hair and my hair felt very nice. So here's the thing that I noticed, like as I was rinsing it out of my hair, I could feel like a lot of moisture, right? But then the more and more I rinsed it out, I could feel that moisture kind of going away. So I really rinsed this out a lot because actually on the package, it says that you have to rinse this conditioner out. And that was one thing that I was wondering because the other conditioners, like the original and the Decadence, you could leave it in your hair. And I used to do that all the time. So actually, that's what I was trying to do this time. I was going to leave it in my hair and then use the styler. But this one, you cannot leave in your hair. This one, it does say you have to rinse it out. So I made sure to rinse all out of my hair so that there's nothing left in there. And then afterwards, immediately, I went in with the DevaCurl Wave Maker, okay? Now, clearly I don't have waves, and I know that the name of this says Wave Maker, so it's not targeted towards me, but it does technically say it's for waves or curls, and it's a lightweight cream that's supposed to define your hair. So I followed the directions exactly as they tell you to. I flipped over my head and I scrunched this product through my hair. And then I kind of put my hair in my cotton t-shirt as I always do. I think nowadays people call that plopping or something. I don't know. People are always trying to make up words and claim that that's their invention. Like, what? But anyways, I've been doing that from like 2012. And when I took it out in my hair, actually, I noticed that I had a lot of frizz on the top of my hair. So then I was like, yeah, no, I don't think that that technique is going to work for my hair. So what I did was I re-wet my hair and then I smoothed my hair and then I raked through my hair with some more of the cream in my hands. And I made sure to smooth every single piece. And then after that, I scrunched from the bottom up. I found that that worked so much better for my hair and reducing the frizz, especially at the top of my hair. So yeah, I did that on both sides of my hair. And as immediately I could tell that like most of that frizz that I was seeing before was gone. So yeah, now I'm coming back. At this point, my hair is 50% dry and I'm feeling a very light cast and I'm just going in and kind of scrunching that out. I like to scrunch my cast like as it appears a couple of times because as you scrunch it, you'll feel that moisture inside and then that will allow that part to dry, you know? So I do it like maybe 2-3 times. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Now it's time to scrunch out any remaining cast, which really there isn't. This had such a light hold, kind of mostly just on my root area. My trick that I like to do, because I live in Texas, is I just like to go outside. That's how I kind of dry my hair the fastest. Like my hair can dry in 1 hour if I go outside. You know what? It's actually like 95% dry because I could still feel some little bit of moistness on the roots. Shake up these roots a little bit. And then let me go in and just separate some of these curls that really clumped into one piece. I love clumping, but when you have thin hair, like when they clump too much, not good. Definitely separate my bangs. Okay. Okay, all right. So this is how my hair is looking. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion, okay? My hair feels extremely soft and moisturized, but it definitely does not feel like it's being weighed down. Like my hair feels so fluffy and airy and like the volume. Like this volume is crazy to me. I'm actually surprised at how much volume I'm able to get in my hair without diffusing. I didn't diffuse. I didn't do none of the stuff that I normally do. This is just air drying and it's having some pretty great volume. So the volume I like. The definition also is pretty good. Like you guys saw, I had some really big curl clumps or curl chunks, as I like to call them. Some chunky curls that looked really, really nice. Like look at this. Like I break that up into smaller pieces and I can get even more volume. So yeah, look at that. I don't know. You guys, I low-key really, really like this, okay? I felt like in the beginning, I felt like it wasn't going to be enough moisture for my hair because it's targeted towards like, you know, a looser curl pattern than mine. But low-key, I really like these results and I feel like maybe have I been using products that are too like oily for my hair? Like maybe I've been weighing my hair down. I don't know. I'm having a second thought on like creams now. Like maybe I need to try creams instead of gels and heavy like intense stylers because you guys saw the consistency of that wave maker. Like it's literally a cream texture and I put a lot in my hair too, like more than what it was recommended to put, and it's not weighing my hair down at all. This is crazy. This volume is crazy. Okay, this is funny. Yo, I did not think that I was gonna like these products, but I actually do like them. I actually do like them. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this holds up for like day 2 and day 3, but as far as like day 1, I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I really love it, and it's making me like start to think I might be putting products that are too heavy for my fine thin hair because this was like no effort. This was no effort and I got this volume. And now this is how we got these results that you see right here. I'm just amazed at the volume that I have. Like, you guys have seen in my other curly hair videos how my hair looks like this, like on day one. This is why I bought each box and I'm trying it out, because just because a product says for thin hair or lightweight moisture, like, you never know, it might work really, really well for your hair. Like, I feel like this lightweight moisture low key is exactly what my hair needed, because it feels soft, it feels super moisturized, and it has so much volume, and it's like bouncy too. It's not like stiff, you know? It's really bouncy, healthy. Yeah, I got some really, really nice curls. Like, this is a yes for me. If you were to ask me about these three products, the No Poo Delight, One Condition Delight, and Wave Maker, all three of them are a yes. I would definitely recommend all three of them, especially if you have fine, thin hair. Anyways, that's it, y'all. Let me know. What are we thinking? And be honest. Like, don't just critique because you don't like the company. Be honest on what do you think of my actual hair. Hopefully people are kind of open-minded and still not like trying to do cancel culture, you know, and like, I'm trying these products because I have always had positive results in the past with using DevaCurl, and these products are different. They're formulated differently. They're not the same as they were before. So why not, you know? Why not? Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.